Hello everyone, I'm George from TSS, and in today's video we'll be unboxing the TSS multi-point door handles lever with 70mm PZ 240mm screw centres. As you can see, like all TSS multi-point door handles, these are supplied boxed with the individual components inside bagged. This is to avoid any damage in transit. You'll receive your handle set, and also an accessory pack. This contains two sets of fixings, one set are long, one set are short, two removable spring cassettes and a solid spindle. These particular handles are available in silver, as you can see in the video, polished brass, polished chrome, black and white. The silver, polished chrome and polished brass are salt spray tested to 240 hours. All of the handles are cycle tested to 50,000 operations. I'll go over the handle measurements with you now. So your back plate on this particular handle is 270mm by 32mm. Your PZ is 70mm. Your screw centres are 240mm. The top fixing to the centre of the centre of the spindle cutout is 105mm. And then the base of the Euro to the centre of the bottom fixing is 39mm. Both handle measurements are identical, as these are an inline handle. Thank you for watching.